Okay. Look who got here.
Hey.
Hey. I like your travel clothes.
Thank you.
Very nice.
It's very me.
This is mine. Just have my hat from Target, shirt from Forever 21, pants from Forever 21, socks from Forever 21, and then I'm wearing my Adidas. But, oh yeah, and then I'm bringing my Los Angeles sweatshirt from Brandy Melville, PacSun. Yeah. I actually kind of already packed, but okay. I'm bringing, so this is just like a small purse to bring if I don't want to carry on something big. I'm also bringing this like little backpack if we like walk around and stuff. And then baseball hat, sunscreen, all my makeup's in here. And then all my clothes are like on the bottom, and I roll them up to save space. Did you do that?
No.
See, you don't know how to pack.
But
You should.
I only packed a little bit though.
Oh, are you one of the like
look at how
simple
much,
packers?
Look at, wait, shoot, how do I even open this thing? I packed here, my sleep, and this is all my stuff.
What's that?
It's my birthday card for my parents.
Oh.
It says,
Wow.
open on your birthday.
Aw, that's so cute, because her birthday is tomorrow, so she's gonna be in Cali for her birthday. But yeah, so she's a simple packer. And her swimsuits are in there. But yeah, so my clothes are on the bottom. I have 2 swimsuits that I'm bringing. They're the same swimsuit, but just different colors. What? Did you forget something? What did you forget?
My makeup.
You did not.
Yeah, I did.
Are you like my, what do you use for makeup? You can just use my makeup. You can use my makeup.
I don't want to use mine because it.
You do?
Yeah.
We can go get it right now. We have time.
Could we?
Yes. Let me just finish this. Okay. So I have my swimsuits, and then, hey, I'm bringing my hair curler for you. So I have my curler, my straightener. I'm only bringing, I usually bring, what?
Good thing I tried.
Yeah, I know. I usually bring like a bunch of shoes, but I decided on packing lightly, so I'm only bringing my Adidas and then the white sandals, so hopefully that's okay. But yeah, so makeup, my pajamas are down here. Doubt we're even gonna be really wearing pajamas. And then all of my like what even is it? Oh, my acne products, my shampoo, conditioner, hairbrushes, everything like that is in here. My witch hazel. Trez was nice and brought me a travel toothpaste because I don't want to bring like my huge one. And then my socks and underwear are in here. I need to pack this beach towel somewhere. In my backpack I have this, which I can't really fill with water until we get past security, but I've always done that. And then, oh yeah, I'm bringing a pillow for the plane. I talked about why in my last vlog, so you should go watch that if you want to know why. And then, you know, gotta bring snacks. So I have these, and then I also have like, do you know the Mamba like fruit chew things? Yeah, when I was working yesterday, they were giving them out for free, so I got like 5 of them. And then my Polaroid, and then let's see, forgot what was in. Oh yeah, my wallet is in here with like a bunch of cords and stuff for like my GoPro camera and everything like that. And then my sunglasses are in here too. I'm bringing 3 pairs. And then in the very front I have gum, hand sanitizer. There we go. So yeah, that's what I have in my travel bag and my suitcase. And now we have to go get her makeup. So let's go do that. Okay. Anyways, we went to Jimmy John's. I just forgot to vlog it, but Trez ended up not forgetting her makeup. She was responsible and did. But, so we didn't have to go get that, and then we got Jimmy John's to eat. And we are about to head to the airport, so I'll update you soon. Oh yeah, can you grab me one too? Yeah. So it's about a 3-hour drive from where we're starting from. Look how good the quality is. It's about a 4-hour flight, but since I live in the Midwest and then we're going to California, then it's 2 hours behind, so that was really hard for me to say. So our flight's at 5:10, but we will get there at 7:30 their time because of how time works.
Yes.
Dragon fruit refreshing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, so when we were getting our, what are those, boarding passes? We were getting our boarding passes. One of the girls told us that it was switched to gate H18 and it wasn't. So we went to gate H18 and I got really scared because it said it was going to New York and we're not going to New York. But we figured it out and we're fine. We got our McDonald's and our Starbucks and we're having a good time.
Gentlemen, good evening from the flight deck. Welcome aboard, Captain Turner. We're hoping to start our pushback about 7 minutes from now. So if you can help us by taking
You're so cute.
as quickly as possible, we'll get you underway.
Look at her shirt.
Right now we're looking at arrival time
You're
on the gate
perfect.
to San Diego between 8:10 and 8:14 local time this evening.
Right now?
We need to make a phone call plan.
We had a delay
we can
of like, what, is it an hour now?
San Diego a little bit
Almost an
earlier
hour.
than what we're looking at.
2 hours.
On our progress. To apologize for the late
An hour.
departure.
An hour. We had a delay of an hour because we were waiting for flight attendants. We land in like an hour and a half, I think. Right? We land in like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
But I'm just watching Riverdale and she's watching 40-year-old virgins. So. How was the flight for you?
It was pretty good. I'm really tired now, and
Well, I almost threw up. The
But you
seats
didn't.
were the most uncomfortable seats I've
But you
ever sat in.
didn't.
And now we're going to get baggage claim before. Now we're gonna go get our bags, and then Sydney and her friends are picking us up.
oh my god. I didn't even